Hi, I'm Jordan with BBQGuys.com. Today we'll be taking a look at the Napoleon LEX 485 gas grill. This is one of our most popular entry-level gas grills. A lot of customers that start shopping at the local home improvement store end up choosing this grill because of its perfect balance between value and features. Let's check it out. The cooking grids of the LEX 485 measure 18 inches deep by 27 inches wide, providing enough space to cook an entire meal at one time. The cooking grids of the Napoleon LEX are thick stainless steel rods for maximum durability, heat retention, and for getting some nice grill marks. The grids feature a wave pattern, making it possible to grill smaller items without having to worry about them falling through the grids. Beneath the cooking grids, you'll find Napoleon stainless steel flame tamers. They're designed to cover a large amount of the area above the burners. This is an advantage when it comes to the flavor you get when grilling, because the drippings that fall on the flame tamers get vaporized back toward the food you cook. When we grilled these strawberries, the flame tamers worked great when it came time to flambe them with some banana rum. Beneath the flame tamers of the LEX, you'll find 4 stainless steel conventional burners. These are lit with dependable flamethrower ignition. The burners produce an impressive 48,000 BTUs of combined cooking power. For rotisserie-style cooking, there's a rear infrared burner rated for 13,500 BTUs. When it comes to high-heat searing, the freestanding LEX 485 has you covered with a flush-mounted infrared burner in the side shelf. This burner is capable of preheating to over 1,000 degrees in just a few minutes, allowing you to sear with steakhouse quality even in your own backyard. This ribeye got a beautiful crust over the entire surface of the steak. It's nice to have the versatility to roast something like vegetables over conventional burners while you sear a steak over the infrared heat. In addition to searing, you can also use the infrared side burner as an outdoor gas stove. We were able to cook this fried rice over the infrared heat and stir in some shrimp that were hot off the grill. We love that Napoleon designed the LEX 485 with entertaining in mind. The left side shelf features a flush-mounted cutting board, making it simple to slice and serve directly from the grill. Beneath the cutting board, there's an ice bucket to keep cold drinks close. The side shelf cover even has a grilling chart complete with cooking times and target internal temperatures. Of course, when needed, you can flip down the cover to use the side shelf for garnishing and serving food when table space is limited. The side shelves also have hooks for keeping grill tools close at hand. For ease of nighttime grilling, the control knobs of the LEX 485 are lit with blue accent lights for a sleek look. Other nice features of the Napoleon LEX 485 include a removable warming rack, an easy-to-read hood-mounted thermometer, and a double-lined grill hood for heat retention. The cart of the 485 provides plenty of enclosed storage for propane and grilling accessories. Cleaning is made easy with this removable grease pan, and the drip pan at the base of the grill can also be removed for cleaning. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. And remember, at BBQGuys.com, we smoke the competition.